Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Ayan, Sophia guys, naglalaro ng bubble. Kinukuhaan ko lang siya guys ng video pang memories niya someday. Ayan, 58 months na si Sophia guys. 4 years and 10 months. Malapit na siya mag 5 years old. No, Sophie, no. You're gonna hurt. Ayan, naglalaro. Ayan si Angela guys, so yung pusa ni Sophia. Ayan, where's Angela? Sophie? Ayan, si Angela guys, oh. Angela and Sophia guys. Si Angela nasa cage niya guys kasi nasa front porch kami. Baka makawala yung pusa, kaya nilagay namin sa cage. Si Sophia naglalaro. Si Sophia naglagay niya guys. Nilagay niya si Angela sa loob ng cage. Sophie, no, you need to shower later. Say hi. Say hi, Sophia.
Hi, Sophia.
No, hi guys. Said hi guys. Yan. Tapos na din yung school ni Sophia guys. Mag kindergarten na siya next year. Pre-K siya this year. Moving up nila last day. Medyo may ubo si Sophia guys. So, may sore eyes din siya. Sa panahon siguro. Mainit kasi dito sa amin ngayon. Maingay din si Angela. Ayan si Angela guys, oh. We're gonna put Angela inside lab. Sophie lang. Nasa front porch kasi kami guys. Kaya nasa kulungan si Angela. Takot kami makawalan siya. Baka kasi tatakbo sa kalsada. So, nilagay namin dyan. Ayan. Hello, Angela. You wanna go inside?
No.
She said,
No.
Sophia, no? Ayun, Sophia guys, oh. 58 months. Love you, Sophia. Mommy, Daddy loves you.
You need to empty that pot.
We're gonna put Angela inside Sophie love. Ayan, Sophia guys, oh. Oh, Angela, bless you. Ayan.
Wait a minute.
That's it, Sophia. Naglalaro na ng bubble si Sophia guys. Ayan.
Bubble.
You playing bubble?
Yuppie.
Ayan. We're gonna put Angela inside.
Me. Ah.
Ah.
Not because you're different. Ah. Ew.
Oh. Ayan, may sore eyes si Sophia guys.
No, a bubble just hit me.
Bubbles.
Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. 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 Ow, ow, ow. I don't want a bubble. I don't want a bubble to attack me.
Love you, Sophia. We're gonna put Angela inside na.
Ow. Ah.
You guys say thank you for watching guys.
Ow.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Ow. Ow.
Silana and Sophia
Ow.
Vlog. Para updated kayo sa aming mga video. Ayan guys.
I want
Pang memory
more.
lang to ni Sophia
Kingdom.
guys. Hey guys. Ayan Sophia guys. So, kinukuhaan ko lang siya ng video. Pang memories niya guys. May sore eyes si Sophia guys. Ayan. Naglalaro. Ayan. Tapos na din yung pre-K niya guys. 58 months, 4 years and 10 months na siya yan. August yung birthday niya yan. Mag 5 years old na si Sophia guys. Ayan. Bilis niya lumaki. What are you playing, Sophia?
Bubbles.
Bubbles, ayan. Naglalaro ng bubbles.
It's a pop down my
Ayan.
face.
Say hi, Sophia. Mommy taking your video. Si Angela guys nasa loob. Dito. Ayan Sophia, oh. Love you, Sophia. Happy 58 months. Love you, love you.
Let's keep going away.
Sophie, we're gonna put Angela inside.
Okay.
Open that window up, right?
Angela, you ready to go inside? Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next vlog.
I want to
Sophia,
do
can you say
more.
bye-bye?
I want to do more.
You want to do more? Ay, gusto pa daw ni Sophia ng more, guys.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay!
But we gonna put Angela first inside.
Okay.
She's noisy man.
Okay.
Ilagay namin si Angela, guys, sa loob ng bahay.
Put her inside.
You ready, Angela? Hold on. Angela. Ayun si Angela, guys. So, pusa yan, guys. Pusa ni Sophia. You ready, love, love?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready to put Angela inside?
Yup. Hold on.
And not already just go